Hello everyone. Standard 3 Math Magic Chapter number 9 How many times? The name of the chapter is How many times? Times in the sense multiplication. You may ask, when do we need to multiply? Why we do multiplication? We do multiplication when we need to add a same number many times. Let's see if we have 2. 2 one time, 2 time, 3, 4 and 5. Why we need to multiply? Let's see. We do multiplication when we need to add same number many times. Here we have 2. 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's add first 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 and 8 plus 2, 10. But to add these numbers this many times, it takes some time. थोड़ा टाइम तो लगेगा ही, इतना सारा एडिशन करना है. So we will multiply. We will multiply because the same number. Now same number. How many times here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in the multiplication, we can write 5 times 2. 5 times 2. 2 कितनी times है? 5 times. And 5 twos are 5 twos are 10. 5 times 2. How to read? 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 5 to 5 times. Okay. And how can we read? We can read 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Otherwise, 5 times 2 is 10 or 5 twos are 10. This way you can read this multiplication. This cross sign is called multiplication sign. This cross sign is called multiplication sign. And the answer of the multiplication. This is the multiplication sign. Okay. Into multiplication times and is equal to जो आंसर मिलता है, this is the answer. In multiplication, the answer is called product. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Product. This is the sign of multiplication. 5 times 2. 5 into 2 is 10. And 10 is called product. Answer of multiplication is called product. Let's see other example. If we have 4. 4 how many times? 2 times. 4 how many times? 2 times. So we can write 2 times which number? 4. 2 times 4. Okay. Let's write 8 into 9. 8, 9. 8 into 9. So how to read? 8 times 9. 8 times 9. So let's write here 8 times 9. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. This how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many times? 8 times 9. This we can read 8 times 9. 8 into 9. Let's write here another example. 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7. So how to write this one? 7 how many times? 3 times. So we can write 3 times means we will multiply here 3 times which number? 7. 3 times 7. 3 sevens are 21. Tables compulsory. You may know all the tables very well. Let's see other example. 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 how many times? 10, 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So how to write? 4 times which number? 10. 4 times 10. 4 tens are 40. Other way also we can write. उल्टा कर सकते हैं. 10 है 4, that 10 times 4 also we can write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 4 how many times? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how to write? 10 times which number? 4. कितने टाइम? 10 times है. कौन सा नंबर है? 4. So 10 times 4 is equal to also 40. So 4 times 10 or 10 times 4 both are same. So now let us do some textbook exercises. Textbook page number 122. Chapter number 9. How many times? Here legs and leggy animal. In the picture you can see 4 goats are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are there. There are 5 goats. How many legs all together? अब साथ में legs count करने हैं. Maybe mistake भी हो सकती है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. सभी के leg एक goat के leg कितने हैं? Each means 1. Each goat. One goat has how many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. One goat has 4 legs. Here total how many goats we have? 5. So 4 legs plus 4 legs. First goat को 4, second को 4, third, fourth and fifth. So what is this? This is the multiplication operation. Multiplication operation means multiplication operation. Multiplication means repeated addition. Repeated addition. 4 है. 4 को कितनी टाइम मल्टीप्लाई किया है, ऐड किया है? 5 times because there are 5 goats. 5 goats. Each goat has 4 legs. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Add करो तो 20. But instead of this, how can we write? How many times 4? 5 times 4 is 20. So we can write 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Second, how many spiders? 1, 2 and 3. 3 spiders. One spider has how many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. In all, spiders' legs are 3 times. Each spider has 8 legs. Total how many spiders? 3 spiders. Okay. One spider, each spider has 8 legs. One spider has 8 legs. So 3 spider has how many legs? Okay. So हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8. It is 24. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. But instead of addition, हमने अभी सीखा 3 times 1, 2 and 3 times 8 is equal to 4. Now, do you know this leggy fellow? This is an octopus and it lives in the sea. It also has 8 legs. Octopus has 8 legs. So, how many legs altogether do 5 octopus has? Okay, same. Here total 5 octopus and 1 octopus has 8 legs. एक के पास कितने लेग है? 8. So 5 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times 8. 8 हमने क्यों ऐड किया? Because एक के पास 8 legs है. So 5 के पास कितने? So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 40. Instead of writing all this, we can write how many times? 5 times 8 is equal to 40. Or 5 multiplied by 8 is equal to 40. Next page, page number 123. Find the numbers without counting. numbers without counting. Tables we all knows very well. How many flowers in a flower bed? Okay, these all flowers we have. Now how many flowers we have to count? Now here what they ask, it has 4 columns. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 columns. Okay, 1, 2, 1 column, second, third and fourth. Total 4 columns. And each column has 6 flowers. Each means 1. एक के पास कितने फ्लावर्स है? 6 है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Each column has 6. 6 and total how many column? 4. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Here they have done. Okay. So instead of this we can write 4 column and each has 6. So how to write? 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Let's try another way. The flower bed has 6 rows. This one is the row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Flower bed has 6 rows. And each row, एक के पास कितने flower है? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each has 4 flower. So 6 rows has how many? So we can write 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times? 6 times because 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write 6 times 4 is equal to 24. 4 times 6 is equal to 24 or 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Now, in the same way, how many bottles are these? How many bottles are these? Dash time 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Each row. एक रो में कितनी बॉटल्स है? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can say 4 times 5. 4 times 5. एक बार, 2 बार, 3 बार, 4 बार. 4 times 5 is equal to 20 bottles. 4 5s are 20. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Now, how many eggs? How many eggs? Here, how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And here, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 rows and 5 columns. Okay. So, 2 ways are there. We can write 6 times 5 or 5 times 6. Both are same. 6 5s are or 5 6 are. Both are same. 6 5s are 30. 5 6 are 30. Next page, page number 124. Practice time. Rewrite using plus sign. Plus sign है, rewrite करना है. 2 into 5 means 2 5s are is 2 times 5. इसको क्या कर सकते हैं? 2 times 5. So यहाँ लिखा है 2 times 5. एक बार और 2 बार. Now let's write this one. 4 into 18. How to read? 4 times 18. So 4 times 18. Or we can write 4 times 18 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 time. 4 times 18. 3 into 20. So we can read 3 times 20. 3 times 20. So you can write here 3 times 20. So 20 को कितनी टाइम लिखो? 3 टाइम. 1 टाइम, 2 टाइम, 3 टाइम. 8 into 9. 8 9s are. 8 time 9. So 8 time 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 time 9. This you can write in your textbook with pencil only. Question B. Tell how many times. 2 examples are given. First, 9. 9 how many times? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it is written 6 times 9. 6 9s are 54. 4 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So here you have to write in your textbook 8. So 8 कितनी time है? 1, 2 and 3 times. So 3 times 8 is equal to 3 8s are 24. Tables compulsory students. Tables आपको compulsory पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Already I gave the homework. Each day, every day आपको एक बार तो tables पढ़ना पड़ेगा. You have to write compulsory tables each day. Every day one time tables. And if you have not started, start from today itself. 1, these 3 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 times 3. 5 बार 3 है. 5 3s are 15. 30 कितनी times? 1, 2 and 3. 3 times 30. Then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 7. जितनी बार है वो नंबर पहले और जो नंबर ऐड किया है वो बाद में. 12. 12 how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times 12. 4 12s are 48. 6. 3 times. 3 6 are 18. Then 10. 10 4 times. So 4 10s are 40. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Now 6. 6 how many times? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 times क्या है? 6. 7 6 are 42. Next page, page number 125. Question C. Ramu bought 4 packets of biscuit. How many packets he bought? 4 packets. 4 packets लाया है. Each means 1. 4 packets already he bought. Each यानी कि एक पैकेट के अंदर कितने बिस्किट है? 4. एक पैकेट के अंदर 4 बिस्किट है. So total how many he bought? He bought 1, 2, 3 and 4 packets. So how many biscuit did Ramu buy? रामू ने कितने बिस्किट बाय की है? सो 4 पैकेट्स है और ईच पैकेट हैज 4 बिस्किट्स. सो 4 पैकेट्स. 4 कितनी टाइम? 4 टाइम्स. 4 पैकेट्स 4 बिस्किट्स. सो 4 4s are 16. Right here 16 biscuits. There are 12 desks in a classroom. क्लासरूम के अंदर 12 डेस्क है. Okay. Total how many? 12. Each desk has 4 legs. Okay, desk है, bench है, एक के 4 legs है. So what is the total number of legs of the desk? Okay, you are thinking total word आया है तो addition करना है. You can add. Multiplication is the repeated addition. But to add it will take some more time. So instead of addition we can use multiplication. Let's try here. 12 desk है. Okay, और each has 4 legs. So 4 कितनी टाइम? 12 टाइम. जो एक के पास 4 legs है, total 12 desk. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 4 को कितनी बार ऐड करना पड़ेगा? 12 times. So to add 4 12 times, in short way we can multiply. कि 12 times 4. 12 times 4. 12 4s are 48. So easy way. So this one is the easy way multiplication. You are thinking total words मैडम ने सिखा है ऐड करना है. Yes, we can add, you can add, but it takes some more time. So instead of addition we can do the multiplication. Now E. Sabiha brought home 3 bunches of flowers. Okay, 3 bunches of flowers. 3 bunch है. Each bunch, each means एक. Each bunch has 4 flowers. Total कितने bunch है? 3. Each has how many flowers? Multiply by 4. 3 bunch, 1 bunch has 4 flowers. So how many flowers were there? 3 fours are 12 flowers. Okay. Now F. One rail coach has 8 wheels. Okay. एक कोच, एक के पास कितने व्हील्स है? 8. How many wheels in all in 6 coaches? One has 8, so we have to find for 6. Total 6 है और each has 8. 6 coaches और एक कोच के 8 legs है, wheels है. So 6 8s are 48. Total coaches. Next page number 126. How many times? 2. Okay. Birds are here. Okay. 2 birds कितने टाइम है? एक टाइम. 2 birds 1 time. Then 2 birds कितनी टाइम? 1 time 2 time. Okay. So 2 times 2 birds. 2 times 2. 4. Same thing it is written here. 1 time 2. 1 time 2 is 1 2s are 2. This is the table of 2. 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2 or 1 2s are 2. Second, 2 times 2. 1 time 2 time. 2 times 2 is 4. Or we can read 2 2s are 4. Then 3 times 1 2 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6 and we can read 3 2s are 6. Now 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. And 5 2s are 10. Then 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12 or 6 2s are 12. Then 6 के बाद 7 times. Let's count. This is the 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time. This is the 7 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 times 2 is 14. So here we can write 7 times 2 is 14. Then 7 के बाद 8. 8 times which 2? 8 times 2 because each pair means 2 birds. So here I already wrote 8 times 2 is 16. And we can write 8 2s are 16. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 2 है और एडिशन 18 है और 9 2s are 18. And 10 times 2 is 20 or 10 2s are 20. Next page number 127. Jump with me. Taru frog jumps 3 steps each time. Which numbers will Taru touch? Here we already learned in the number line, but same numbers are given till 54, 3 steps. Each jump 3 step. Okay. Jump करते first jump 3 means 3 ones are 3. First jump 3 ones are 3. Second jump 1 2 and 3. 3 2s are means 2 times 3 steps. So 6. Then third time 3 times 3 step. So 3 3s are 3 times. 1 time 2 time 3 time. So it is 9. Then 4 time 1 2 3. Okay, 4 times 3 steps. So 12. Then 5 times 15. Then 6 times 18. 7 times 21. Then 8. 8 jump 24. Then 9 jump. 9 jump 27. Okay. Then 10th jump. It is 30. 10 times 3. 10 times 3, 30. Then 11 times. 3 jumps, 1, 2 and 3. This is the 11th jump, 33. So here 11 times 3, 33. Then 12 times. 12 times 3, we reach at 36. Then 13 times. 13 times 3, it's 39. Then 14 times 1, 2 and 3, it's 42. And 15 times 1, 2 and 3, 15 3s are 45. So we jump and we got the answer of this table or multiplication. Page number 130. Stick play. Mithu had some sticks. She arranged them like this. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 1 5s are 5. 2 times 5 10. 3 times 5 15. 4 times 5 20. Then she counted how many times the sticks were crossing each other. She found that 4 times 5 is equal to 4 5s are 20. Let's try making a 2 times table with sticks. Okay. Sticks. 2 sticks are there. So 1 time 2 stick. So 2. Then 2 time 2 sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 2s are 4. 3 time. So 3 time 2 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 2s are 6. 4 time 2. So 4 2s are 8. 5 times 2. 5 2s are 10. 6 times 2. 6 2s are 12. 7 times 2. So 7 2s are 14. 8 times 2. 8 2s are 16. 9 times 2. So 9 2s are 18. And 10 times 2. 10 2s are 20. So on the next page, page number 131. One blank is given, blank box is given. Now draw sticks to make the multiplication table of 6. So you can draw the sticks or you can write the table of 6 here. Draw bhi kar sakte ho. If you don't want to draw, you can write the table of 6 here. Next, shopping with tables. Shopping with tables. How much do these things cost? Pictures of things and cost are given, but cost are for each, means for one thing. Toffees here, 1, 2 and 3. 4 toffees cost how many rupees? Okay, hint 4 2s are, ये तो hint है, example है पहले तो कि 4 toffees cost. Here it is given rupees 2 each, यानी कि each means एक की प्राइस कितनी है 2 rupees. Okay, so we have to find for 2. So we can write 4 times 2. 4 2s are 8 rupees. Next, 3 pencil boxes cost how many rupees? 1, 2 and 3 pencil boxes are given. एक each की प्राइस है 10 rupees. एक की प्राइस है 10 rupees. Here we have 3 boxes. So 3 into 10. Why we did 3 into 10? Because each has 3 boxes और एक box के अंदर एक की प्राइस है 10 rupees. So 3 10s are 30 rupees. 10 pencil boxes cost how many rupees? Okay. 3 boxes, 3 pencil boxes है, एक की प्राइस 10 rupees है. नेक्स्ट है दे आस्क फॉर 10 पेंसिल बॉक्सेस. 10 पेंसिल बॉक्स और एक की प्राइस है 10. सो 10 10s are 100 रुपीस. 3 पेंसिल बॉक्सेस, जितनी बॉक्सेस है जितने नंबर से उसको जितनी प्राइस है उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. नेक्स्ट है 9 balloons कॉस्ट हाउ मेनी रुपीस? 9 balloon, वी हैव 9 balloon. एक की प्राइस क्या दी है 5 रुपीस. So we can do 9 balloons और एक की प्राइस 5 रुपीज. So 9 5 are 45. सिंपल है, जितनी भी थिंग्स है उसको एक की क्या प्राइस है उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 9 balloons, एक की प्राइस 5 रुपीज. So 9 5 are 45. Next, 5 toys cost. 5 toys cost how many rupees? Here they have given 4 rupees each. 5 toys है, 5 toys और एक के 4 rupees. Each means 1. 5 4s are 20 rupees. 5 toys और एक की प्राइस 4. 5 4s are 20. Now 7 face mask cost. One for one it is 3 rupees. Okay, so 7 3s are short. 7 3s are 21 rupees. Practice time. Complete the followings. Complete the following. Simple tables are here. You can write it yourself. 2 7s are 14. 4 9s are 36. 3 9s are 27. 5 2s are 10. 5 8s are 40. 10 6s are 60. 5 9s are 45. 3 10s are 30. 2 8s are 16. And 10 8s are 18. This you can write it yourself. B. Look at the pattern and complete them. Pattern है उसको complete करनी है. Okay. It is the one type of tables only. I have finished. I have wrote here 3 6 9. So which table it is? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So आगे लिखो 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 and 3 6 are 18. 2 है, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, then 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6 are 12. So this is the tens table. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40 and so on. This is the table of 4. This is the table of 5 and this one is the 30. 30 1s are 30. 32s are 60. आप बोलेंगे ये तो बहुत भारी है. No problem. 0 कैंसिल करो. 3 का टेबल. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. देखो 3 4s are 12. पीछे एक 0 लगाओ. 3 5s are 15. Add 1 0. 3 6 are 18. Add 1 0. So ये 30 का टेबल हो गया. Next page, page number 133. Complete the multiplication tree. Simple है, 10 है. So 10 का multiply करो. 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and 10 1s are 10. 10 को कितने टाइप से लिख सकते हैं? 35 है. So 35 टेबल्स आना कंपलसरी है. 7 5s are 35, 5 7s are 35 and 35 1s are 35. So like this you can complete this tree with the use of multiplication tables.